Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing an unboxing, but I don't know what's in the box. I'm so excited. Suva Beauty has been selling mystery makeup boxes, so of course I had to order a mystery box full of makeup. Now, Suva Beauty is a company that I've never used before, but I know I've heard good things about their eyeshadows. Other than that, I don't really know what they carry. When I ordered the box, I made sure not to look through the rest of the site because I didn't want to get any ideas of what I might be getting. But also when I looked into this company, I realized that they are a Vancouver-based company, which is amazing. I love supporting Canadian-based makeup brands, so that's pretty cool. This is what the box looks like. It's pretty plain Jane, nothing too crazy. So they had two different options. They had a $30 mystery box and a $65 mystery box, I believe. I bought the $65 one, and it's supposed to contain $150 or more worth of product. So I'm so excited to get into this with you guys. So let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys first. Ooh, is that makeup brushes? Oh, yes, there's some makeup brushes and some, I don't know, eyeliner? Hydroliner. Okay, but first we're gonna look at this. That's pretty. It says, thank you for choosing Suva Beauty. I hate when I think I'm buying organic vegetables, and when I get home, I discover they're just regular donuts. Oh, that's cute. That's nice that they actually put your name on there and sign it. That's really cute. Ooh, this looks pretty. Liquid chrome illuminating drops. And then there's two more little packs in there, and that's the bottom of the box. This is everything that was in there, and this is $150 worth of stuff, apparently. So let's see what kind of goodies we got. I'm gonna start with this guy. I got 3 makeup brushes. Let's see. Ooh, that looks like a nice blending brush. That's soft. This is the 460 brush. Ooh, that's gonna be perfect for blending. This guy is the 350 brush. It's a nice stiff brush. This is good for smudging out underneath there. Actually, it's really good for cleaning up cut creases and stuff like that too. And then last but not least is the 550 brush. And this I would probably use for helping blend out the bottom of my eye or even sculpting my nose, stuff like that. So that's always nice getting new brushes. I love brushes. I wonder if it says on here how much everything is worth. Oh yeah, it does have a list of what I actually got in here, so I'm not gonna look at that. So the other things that were in here were these hydroliners. It says hydroliner, cake eyeliner. And I've got the shades Sea Nymph, Grease, and Blazing Lights. These two are matte eyeliners. And then this one's actually a chrome eyeliner. Gotta see what these look like. Oh, so on the bottom it says intensely pigmented water-activated cake eyeliners. That is so smart because eyeliners in pots like this always dry out so fast. So to have one that's water-activated is actually really interesting. Oh, that looks so weird. Yeah, it's rock hard. I gotta try this out. Let's see. So I just happen to have my water bottle right here. Poured a little bit out onto my plate. So I'm wetting the brush down and I'm gonna try out. Ooh, reminds me of childhood watercolor paints. Ooh, that's pretty. It's really pigmented too. I like that you can kind of just keep mixing it in until you get the right consistency. That's nice too because sometimes you get really liquidy eyeliners, sometimes you get really dry eyeliners. This is the smartest idea ever. How have I not heard of this? There's just too many makeup brands in the world to know all of them. So that one's really pretty. Let's try the other ones. Oh, it also says opaque, fast drying, smudge proof, and transfer resistant. All great things. I'm really getting excited about this stuff. Okay, let's see what these other colors are. Oh, this one's, the instructions are a little bit different. It says you can wet it with a setting spray or water. This color is beautiful. Look at that color. Look how rich and opaque that color is. This is so pretty. This is seriously the smartest product in the world, and these colors are beautiful. Okay, last one. This one looks like it's just a black one. A black eyeliner that's never gonna dry out. These are gonna last forever. These are huge. one swipe. Intense black. I don't think I've ever seen an eyeliner that dark. I wonder how well these wear. I wonder if they like crack at all on the skin, or if they're comfortable or flexible. I'm definitely excited to try this out on my eyes. It's like even my black eyeliner right now doesn't look as black as this. And they dry so fast. That green one's already dry. Both of those are dry. I'm so impressed. Next I want to open up this liquid chrome illuminating drops. Does it say a shade name or anything? Oh, on the bottom it says Opulence. Ooh. It's like a really pretty rose gold. It says our formula includes many nourishing ingredients that are good for your delicate skin, enriched with pomegranate extracts, vitamin E, and natural emollients. 100% cruelty-free and vegan. Shake well before use. Apply as a highlight to the high points of the face and body. Mix into foundation or moisturizer for radiant and bright skin. So basically just like any other illuminating drops I would use. It's actually a little bit thicker than I was expecting it to be. It's really pretty. And really shiny. I wonder how sheer it can get if I blend it out. Pretty sheer. I could probably use that as a highlight. It's light enough. It's a weird spot to highlight. Just highlight my wrist. I will be mixing this into my foundation for sure. Okay, now I have 2 packs, but look like eyeshadows. I think these are both packs of eyeshadows. So, eeny, meeny, miny, mo. My mother told me to pick the very best one, and you are it. Ooh. I see a really bright blue. I have actually been thinking that I needed a blue like this. This is beautiful. It's a shimmer shadow. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, I kind of want to like put these down this way so I can't see the colors as I'm picking them up. This is the shade Fairy Dust, and it is a shimmer. I'm gonna have to get myself a magnetic palette for these guys because, ooh, these pans are huge. Holy crap. Look how big that is. These are normal size pans. This is a Suva Beauty pan. That's insane. Ooh. Buttery and pigmented. The next one on the pile is Funny Face. I'm just reading the back. I haven't looked at it yet. Ooh. Oh. I love purple. So this one looks like a matte. Yes. And this one matches my backdrop. How perfect is that? That one's really soft and buttery too. A little bit less pigmented than the last one. Still really pretty though. Next we have Seed, which is a matte. It's a brown? It looks like brown. Ooh, that's a really pretty brown. This is like the perfect light chocolate brown. That one's a little less pigmented. Doesn't help that I'm swatching my hairy arms, but that's like a really good color that's just darker than a transition color that you can build up your outer corner with, and it doesn't pull any red, it doesn't pull any purple. It's like a true chocolate. That's beautiful. Next one is Lockbridge, and it's matte, and it looks like a really pretty peachy pink. Actually, this could almost be used as a blush. Is it a blush? Pressed eyeshadow. That would make a beautiful blush. I know I'm not a blush person, but that would make a beautiful ooh, this one's even softer than the last one. I love that color. That one's gorgeous. This one says Turkish Bath, and it's another matte. Ooh, oh, this is like a really pretty transition color. I don't think I've ever seen an eyeshadow quite like this. Oh no, I scratched it. It's like a really, that's actually probably not even transition color. That's like a perfect, like all over the lid setting color. It's probably not gonna show up on my skin when I swatch it. Ooh, just barely. That'd be perfect for like my no makeup days when I want just a little bit of something in the crease. I'm really impressed with these products. These are so pretty. Okay, that was it for that stack. On to this one. I wonder how much each of these eyeshadows it was. That's 5 eyeshadows right there. Flip them over so I can't see them. And there's another 5 eyeshadows in this one. 10 eyeshadows. If each of them is only $6, that's $60 worth of eyeshadows, and that pays for my box already. But I'm pretty sure these are going to be more than $6 because these pans are huge. Next one's a shimmer shadow, and the shade is Bula? B-U-L-A. Ooh, this is like a really pretty bronzy shade. Look at that shimmer. This one feels a little more gritty, but this actually reminds me of one of my Kat Von D shadows. Ooh, this is Chalice from the Kat Von D Saint and Sinner palette. They're very similar. Chalice is just a bit lighter, but that's like one of my favorite colors in this Kat Von D palette. So I am more than happy to have that color. Next I have Cherry Cola. I'm guessing this is gonna be like a red of some sort. Ooh, another shimmer. This is really pretty too. This is almost like a burgundy. This one's a little gritty too. Running out of room. Oh, beautiful. And next we have another matte shade, and this one, I can't sell it. Clover Club, it looks like. Clover Club, maybe green? Ooh, wow, wow. Okay, wasn't expecting that green. That is like definite St. Patrick's Day green. That's intense. It's like neon, but not quite. Ooh, that is pigmented. That is amazing. I don't have a green like that. I have two more. I have no room. I'm gonna have to swatch them down here. This one is another matte, and it says Electric Slide. I like this where I guess what color it is first. I'm thinking like maybe a hot pink. Electric Slide. Or maybe a yellow? I don't know. Ooh, a yellow. I'm good at this. Again, I don't really have any bright yellows like this. I have more lighter yellows. When I was doing my monochromatic rainbow, I had a hard time getting a yellow enough eyeshadow for my face. So this is pretty cool. It actually looks far more neon in real life. This looks like a light, like baby yellow in the monitor. I don't know what it'll look like on my computer, but this is like neon sunshine yellow. Oh, this one's really soft. I wish this translated on screen because it is so yellow. Last one, and this is the last thing in the box. I'm a little sad that it's coming to an end already. This one is Empire State, and it's a shimmer. Empire State, maybe it's like a dark silver, maybe? Oh, it's almost like a pinkish color. Look at that, it's like a really light rose gold. It's almost the same color as the drops, except for a little more pink. That's beautiful, and you can't see it on my skin because my skin's so light. Really shimmery though. Oh my gosh, this is the funnest box ever. I wish all makeup companies did this. This was so much fun to unbox. I mean, that's a pretty good haul. I got super bright purple, blue, purple, green, yellow. Those are gonna be so fun to work with. And then these shimmers are beautiful. I really like these two peachy pink shades. They're really fun. I'm gonna get a lot of use out of those. These two are really pretty. This one's like the perfect chocolate brown. I'm obsessed with that. And then these are just gonna be so much fun. The the liquid chrome was really pretty. These liners are gonna be amazing. I can't wait to try them on my eyes. Like, they're totally dry and smudge proof. Like, nothing's coming off. And then brushes. I'm most excited about this one because you can never have too many blending brushes. So now I'm gonna look at the sheet that says what was all in there. Ooh. Okay, so it looks like most of these eyeshadows were $12. A couple of them were $11. The brushes, one was $13, one was $15, and one was $12. The liquid chrome was $26. Oh no, okay, all of the eyeshadows were $11, and then the eyeliners were $12. So it came to a total of there was $213 worth of stuff in there. $213 worth of stuff in there. That's stupid. I paid $65 for this, and I got free shipping. Holy crap. I don't know how much longer these mystery boxes are available for because it said it was a limited time thing, but get your butt over there and order one of these because this is so cool. I'm shock. This is ridiculous. Like $213 worth of product for $65. And that's Canadian because they're a Canadian company. How cool is that? Oh, I'm obsessed. Okay, the next video you guys will see will be me trying as much of the stuff on my face as possible. I cannot wait to put it all on my face. This is gonna be so much fun. That's all I have for this video. This was a super cool experience. I wish more companies did this. I would order so many of these. Okay, maybe not so many. I don't want to break the bank, but this is a really cool idea. Thank you, Suva Beauty, for sending me really awesome stuff. That was so cool. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.